The CM Ad Changer free version acts as a fully customized banner rotating service for one site. In this video, we will use the Ad Changer to create a pet adoption campaign. There are only a few steps required to add a clickable image banner to a page or a post. Navigate to Admin Panel, CM Ad Changer, Campaigns. Then click Create a new campaign. Under the Campaign Settings tab, you can give a name, add notes, and activate the campaign. Add images to the campaign and choose if they will be displayed in order based on weight or randomly. The weight defines the probability in which a certain ad is uploaded. Let's head to the page where we would like to display the ads in. To add the ads to the page, we can use the following shortcode and choose the relevant campaign ID. These options can be added to the shortcode. After the shortcode has been added, the page will load an ad automatically. Since we've chosen a random picture, each time a different ad will be loaded. When we press the ad, the link will be opened in a new page. See the complete list of differences between the free and pro version. To learn more about this product and the differences between the free and pro version, visit cminds.com.